Hi children, how are you? Hope all you are fine and safe. Today we are going to discuss about feats related to artificial intelligence. There are many fields, technologies, methodologies, techniques, etc. that are closely related to artificial intelligence and which may many times confuse students. Having knowledge about these related terms is a good idea. So, some terms we are going to study, that is machine learning, deep learning, data science, and robotics. Machine learning systems are systems that improve their performance with more experience or information. This is sometimes regarded as a subfield of artificial intelligence and at other times a separate subfield of computer science. These systems are adaptive systems. For example, a search engine that gives better result with more experience and data. Next is the deep learning. Deep learning or deep neural learning are systems that are capable of learning from unstructured or unlabeled data. Most of the data with us is unstructured and unlabeled. Family photographs in your house. Emoji scavenger game in the AI lab session is based on deep learning neural networks. Next is data science. Data science is a term that is used for referring to different related subdisciplines. These subdisciplines include machine learning, statistics, data storage, web development, etc. The understanding of data science includes some functionalities of artificial intelligence because many of these subdisciplines are also related to artificial intelligence. Next is robotics. The field of robotics deals with construction and programming of robots. Robots are computing machines that have both hardware and software. The artificial intelligence development is used for the software or programming part of the computer. The challenge is to develop AI programs that can help robots in behaving more and more like human beings. Different areas of artificial intelligence used in the fields of robotics are computer vision and natural language processing, neural networks for understanding human emotions, machine learning and deep learning for making robots adaptive to nearby surroundings. Next is applications of AI. AI has a number of applications. Some are gaming, natural language processing, expert system, vision system, handwriting recognition, intelligent robots. Gaming means game developers are using AI technology to improve the strategic aspects of games. These games learn and adapt themselves, providing better gaming experience. For example, chess, poker, tic-tac-toe, etc. Next one, natural language processing. This helps computer-based system to understand the natural language that human beings use. The game Mystery Animal is based on this technology. Expert systems. These systems are used to provide advice, explanations, solutions, etc. to the users. These are based on the integration of a number of different programs and sources. Vision systems. These systems use AI technology to understand the images. These include identification of faces, diagnosing of patients, identifying damage to buildings and fields, etc. Handwriting recognition. It is related to the technology used in the vision system. In these systems, the computer converts text on the paper or inputs given by the users from stylus into the computer readable format. Intelligent robot. Artificial intelligence is widely being used to improve the working of robots so that they are better able to perform the task assigned by human beings. Next is limitation of AI. So many limitations are there in the artificial intelligence today. Current AI systems are not perfect and they suffer from a number of limitations. Open-ended world many times require unconstrained thinking and solutions. AI systems are constrained by a number of variables. AI systems are capable of and AI systems are not capable of. AI systems are capable of recognizing facing in images, partially self-driving vehicle, simple machine translation, partially understanding human speech, partially predicting human behavior. Then AI systems are not capable of understanding natural language, surfing the internet, interpreting visuals like images and videos, learning a natural language. Next is domains of AI. There are 3 domains of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is normally divided into 3 domains: data, computer vision, and natural language processing. Data. Data in artificial intelligence systems refers to the data that is right for the AI system in question. For example, a data system developed for recognizing the image of students will not find the data of animal face useful. Data is at the core of artificial intelligence. Current artificial intelligence system cannot be developed or made functional without the adequate data. For example, an image recognition AI will need to be trained on data containing images and the items in the images. There are mainly three types of data: sound data, text data, image and video data. Sound data is used for voice recognition system. Text data for automatic classifying systems. Then image and video data for computer vision system. For AI developers, find the suitable data in the right format is challenging. Collecting and structuring data is time consuming and difficult. Next is computer vision. Computer vision is a technology that is used for making machines see and perceive the human world as human beings do. This requires images or visual data. The development of computer vision is progressing at the fast pace. There is a great demand for applications that are capable of detecting and identifying objects from images or videos. Uses for computer vision technology include face recognition, image retrieval, gaming and control, surveillance, smart cars. Face recognition is used for applying, filtered and recognizing images. Google Photos, Snapchat, Facebook, etc. are using this technology. Image retrieval is used for identifying the images of objects. Search engines like Google, Bing, etc. use this technology to provide results of image searches. There are even algorithms that can provide results based on images used for searching. Gaming and control. Microsoft Kinect is one of the best examples of a successful commercial product based on AI. Other examples include games like Emoji, Scavenger Hunt, and etc. Next is surveillance. It includes identifying criminals or illegal or suspicious behavior, etc. from the video fed. Next, smart cars. Self-driving vehicles will need this technology for detecting traffic signs, lights, other vehicles, etc. Next, natural language processing. The third domain of AI is natural language processing. It works on enabling the computer to understand naturally written or spoken languages like English or Hindi. This will make computers capable of natural communication. There are two components in natural language processing. One is natural language understanding and another is natural language generation. Natural language understanding deals with understanding spoken or language it involves. It involves establishing linkage with natural language inputs and what they are represent, analyzing different aspects of the language. Natural language generation. This involves the process of producing meaningful phrases and sentences in the form of natural language from some internal representation. It involves text planning, sentence planning, text realization, etc. Text planning means retrieving relevant text from the data store. Sentence planning means deciding on the correct words, linking them into meaningful phrases, etc. Text realization, combining phrase and words for forming sentences. For all AI systems, natural language understanding is much more difficult than natural language generation. But human beings find natural language understanding is easier than natural language generation. Today, we covered what all things. First, we discussed about fields related to artificial intelligence, then application of artificial intelligence, then limitation of artificial intelligence, and 3 domains of artificial intelligence. I hope all you understand what all things we discussed today. Thank you. Thank you everyone.